pronunciation of S or ES. We can use final sound of SES in four conditions. Number one, simple present. Example, look. Number two, plural countable noun. Example, books. Number three, contraction. Example, she is, he is. Number four, possessive adjective. Example, Irfan books. There are three rules how to sound final es. Number one, we can read by s when the final sound is voiceless. Example, hat, maps, foot, raps, stop. Number two, we can read by s when the final sound is voiced. All follow diphthong and consonant. Example, games, play, plate, back, read, job. Number three, we can read by is or is when the final sound is the color. Example, house, edge, touch, cage, face me. Practice sentence. Number one, a dishwasher washes dishes. Number two, a bus driver drives bus. Number three, a mechanic fixed cars. Number four, a teacher teaches student. Number five, watchmaker makes watch. And number six, a real estate agent sell house. Thank you.